Hello, sunny October day. Yes, today is 12th of October and I'm exploring another beach location in Stockholm region. And today I am at Stora Essingen. It is an island that's located quite central in Stockholm, and it is an island that is connected to the city with bus number 1, and also there is a tram that will take you to Sickla on the other side and Solna on the other. And this is a nice jetty over here that I found it by coincidence. Yes, actually I was on my way to the other side. There is a rocky beach on the other side, that's public one. And then I lost my way somewhere in between Essingen and Stora Essingen. So both are islands, but it is quite a hassle to move around. And yeah, okay, now we can see the tram, line number 30, that goes to Solna and starts from Sickla. It passes by here. So yes, and the station on the other side of the bridge is called Gröndal, as well as that is the same that you see those buildings over there. Actually, that is a mixture between Gröndal and Ekensberg that continues on that side. But as they are facing towards northwest, I think they have a bit of a sun later in the day. Right now it is lunchtime, 12:30 approximately, and I'm here to take a swim. And this is beach day number 158. Yes, it's a new record, guys. Yeah, so I have beaten finally my old record from 2021 for the most number of beach days in a year in Sweden only, because obviously this year I have been swimming a lot in many other countries like Greece when I was in Creta, then Mallorca, and Israel also. I was in the beginning of the year. Where also, yes, I have been also swimming in Macedonia for one day, and lastly when I was in Valencia. So lots of beach days throughout the year, but in Sweden this is beach day 158. So yes, right now it is 13 degrees Celsius, so quite warm, and complete opposite of yesterday where we had rain, if you have watched the episode from Glasbrukshön in Nacka. Alright, then I think it's time to take a swim then in the waters here. So yes, this is obviously Lake Mälaren, and that is the bridge also, as I mentioned, that connects Holmen and the neighborhoods on the other side, and it goes then all the way through Stora Essingen, and it passes by Alvik and goes on to Solna on the west side of the city. So yes, this is pier, this jetty over here, I didn't know that it existed, so I have found it by accident. So let's take a swim. Oh, I almost forgot, we need to measure the temperature. So it was 12 degrees Celsius for 4 days in a row where I was swimming in different water services. So we're gonna find out if it's also 12 degrees in Lake Mälaren, because when I visited Mälaren in Sätra last week, it was around 15 degrees then. So we're gonna check it out how it is. So, all right. Okay, I need to hurry up because my water thermometer go away and I will need to swim more. All right, ready, set, go. Oh, quite nice and refreshing, I must admit. Oh, 14 degrees in the water, so that's nice. Yep, 14 degrees in Lake Mälaren over here in Stora Essingen. So a bit warmer than the previous 4 days, so that's good. So now it is 1 degree warmer in the water than in the air. And yeah, what an amazing day to take a swim. And also, I'm gonna be traveling actually tomorrow to another country. So I'm gonna be showing you some episodes from there if I manage to do some beach adventures, because it's a bit colder country. Actually the same temperatures as in Sweden, but we're gonna see. I'm gonna keep it a secret, and you're gonna see on my channel there will be beach adventures from the place I'm visiting this weekend. So that means that Sweden beach adventures are on pause for 3 days while I'm away, and hopefully we will resume those on Monday. So happy Thursday, thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!